So welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram in order for you not to miss out on any updates. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, guys, this is it on our movement on our AUDUSD. You can see the trend on our AUDUSD. You can see that we are clearly trending to the upside. AUDUSD is very much bullish, right? Very much trending to the upside. We are very much bullish to the upside. Now, guys, take a look at this movement right here on AUDUSD. This is the impulsive move that market did give us. Then here comes the pullback phase, right? Market was able to give us what? Another move. Then here comes the pullback. Market was able to push up again to give us another impulse move, which is the new high. Now here comes the pullback phase, which we now see as our support level or multiple rejection zone. So we would be expecting market to push up again. So the bullish move is what we are going to be anticipating for on our odd USD. Now this is it right here, right? You can see it, multiple rejection zone this level. Right? So we just expect market to just come down a little bit for it to eventually bounce up. So we will be expecting a bounce from this level on our odd. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And also make sure you follow the Telegram in order for you not to miss out on it. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the section.